Let's continue solving quadratic equations by factoring. Here we have an example. We have 3x squared minus 75 equals 0. What should we do? 3x squared is not a perfect square. 75 also is not a perfect square. Okay, how can we solve it? For this case, I wanna find the greatest common factor, that is called GCF. Greatest common factor. Greatest common factor between 3x squared and 75 true is 3. 3x squared divided by 3 equals x squared. 75 divided by 3 equals 25. Now we have x squared minus 25. Both of them are perfect square, and now it will be easy to factor them by using a squared minus b squared. Can you tell me what's the answer of a squared minus b squared? Right, a minus b, a plus b. Difference of 2 squared. Remember this one. Always it can help us. Now, second root of x squared equals x. What is the second root of what is second root of 25? True, 5. It's gonna be x minus 5, x plus 5. X minus 5, x plus 5 equals 0. Set both factors equal 0. X minus 5 equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. Move the 5 to the other side. Change the sign. X equals 5. X plus 5 equals 0. Again, move the 5 to the other side. Change the size. Sign. X equals negative 5. X positive 5, x negative 5 are both answers of this equation. Let's do another example. Let me raise the board. New example, we have 9x squared minus 64 equals 0. Now you tell me, what should we do to do this equation? Pause the video, do it, and tell me the answer. Okay, 9x squared, 64. At the first look, we can see both of them are perfect square. Second root of 9x squared equals 3x. Second root of 64, 8 equals 0. Again, use difference of 2 squared. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b, a plus b. Difference of 2 squared. Repeat after me. Difference of 2 squared. Okay. Now, it's gonna be 3x minus 8, 3x plus 8 equals 0. Set both factors equals 0. 3x minus 8 equals 0. How can we do this? 3x minus 8 equals 0. Move the 8, negative 8 to the other side. We have 3x equals 8. Now, what can we do? 3x, we are going to find the x, not 3x. 3x divided by 3. We can divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3. 3 with 3 cancel. X equals 8 over 3. Now, second factor. 3x plus 8 equals 0. 3x, move the positive 8 to the other side, change the sign. 3x minus 8 equals 0. 3x equals 8, negative 8. This is 3x. Negative 8. X equals 8 over 3. Two answers. X equals 8 over 3 and x equals negative 8 over 3. I forgot, change the sign. When you move 8 to the other side, you need to change the sign. Here 8 is positive. When it goes to the other side, it will be negative 8. Therefore, the second answer equals negative 8 over 3. Thank you so much.
Forward.